Hello, hello, Sassy Scrappers. How are you doing? Hey, I'm jumping on today, and this is Steph in Central Iowa, and I am going to make a page using a simple page kit, and this is one of the ones that we got in the secret box number 5, and I'm going to use this, but I'm not going to use it like it's supposed to be used. I'm going to do a little something different. Because, you know, you're looking at celestial things and it's supposed to be all cool looking at the sky. Well, I'm going to use it for basketball. What a change, huh? So I've got one of my grandson's basketball, some pictures here. And these are the big pictures that the photographers take and you get, you know. And so I just decided that I liked kind of the blue kind of look, and it kind of had the gold from the floor and stuff here. So I'm just going to center this big one over here, and then I'm going to come over here, and these pictures really show up pretty well just right on the paper. So I think I'm just going to put those right there, and then I'm going to embellish it a little bit. Now I'm all into this year trying to catch up, trying to get things done quick, and you know, what's quicker than this? So they do have, when I started looking at some of the embellishments and stuff here that I might be able to use, totally excited. Well, look at him, excited. It's just a phase, phenomenal. I could put, you know, phenomenal on here. Just some of these other shapes. There's some starry things, you know, I could stick those around. But I think I'll take one of this is the cutout sheet that I haven't even done anything with. And I think I'll probably cut out maybe the gold and put down the middle or something, and like one of something maybe over here to put maybe that gold blocks there as totally excitable. And then what I'm going to do is I like to do my journaling by putting it on a Word document and then printing it out and putting it down here. The kids can't read my cursive writing anymore, and they keep saying, well, how are we going to read that and stuff? So I just type it out. I write in it some places, but for this one, I'll just type it out and type about, you know, his season and how he did, probably just on some white cardstock. Put it here, maybe put a little of one of these colors, you know, behind it or something. But just a quick, easy, and I think it'll look fine. You know, it's not real exciting, but I will post what I finish on the Sassy Scrapper Steph Thompson Facebook page, so you can see what it looks like at the end, and we'll see what happens, okay? So try those simple page kits and do something different with them. I have lots of 2024 still left here, so if you're interested in some of those, and the 2025 ones are the first 3 months, or 2026, first 3 are out already. So jump into them, get some pages done, and let's get going this year, okay? So talk to you later and stay sassy.